I'm here. Good afternoon. Later, because already 11 past now to approach 12 o'clock. So, this time I have to involve myself in the security of election period, so I can manage to have my mind there on the Senate. So, my stand here for the controversial issue of marriage bill. My stand there is to not copy that, because so many immorality coming again here, coming only past year and past year. There's already past. But I mean the ISP. And the future of that will no longer be involved us to compromise there. Because we are fighting for not conspiracy here. With no amendments from the law, so we have no loopholes there. This divorce, this RH bill or RH bill now cannot be taken as for morality here, because it will counter all the sin here to again of happening from Noah's life. What can you say about the prime story of that situation or that event? God is coming back to have justice for his son, because his son suffered death by disobedience or ignorant of law, like you're talking about law, excuses no one. Negative. You cannot copy that, because all people will be involved in this for conspiracy. My stand for RH bill is I am anti-RH bill. My stand there. Because we only the world here. We only the country here to nation state the problem of this world. So we are not paper to RH bill. Why? Because we have a foundation of morality here from then now. Now only conspiracy time. Because the RH bill cannot matter here now with good morality. The church or the Catholic group, or all over the world, Catholic, the religion there is only talking about immorality from RH bill. They're talking about that. If you can say that, how happen you drive people to immorality then to now? What is your talking about your head? We are not backhead there. You all see problem here. We are past there to emphasize this our territory on West Philippine Sea. We have a sea, but we cannot see. We have ice, but we cannot see. I'm talking about the Spratly Islands there. We have ice, but we cannot matter to use the perspective asset of equalization or equation to the wealth. Because we are globalization now. We only talk to Chinese people or Chinese government authority just to have us equality equation of inequality. To sustain our life here, frame of justice from God. Yet not justice here with the with of materials. This is a sin. Even the Hubble telescope cannot matter to view all the world here because they are tied already. They cannot matter to see the world around the back there. We cannot see that. This promise of God of glorification or the promise gift. This a gift there. Like the Pinoy gift here. From 89 or and so on there backward. But they joined to have part money to MOE. I'm sorry, I don't understand. MOE. How can they challenge Arroyo to be punished with the respect of them? They do not respect their integrity. It's a blackmailing of the self. I'm sorry, I will pass there. Not to the world holy RFID. The holy RFID is the term we use to survive the world. We have to use holy here, or use to name it, or title that RFID. Because it is used to the club. We cannot matter that. What we can say is all of the areas here have also problem here, or not following the basis of Babel. Ganun lang ho yun. It's only like that. Sige, pass muna ako at i-upload ko lang muna. So, good afternoon now, already coming to noon. It's already 6 minutes I think here, or 8. So, thank you here by the 9 Power to expect our way to voyage the world. Thank you for this eternity life.